Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today my baby is right over there, and I can tell you guys you're gonna hear baby noises. The baby is in a mood today, okay? I have a day that my bra doesn't match my shirt. I know I'm wearing a red bra underneath a black shirt. Just shut up, okay? It's one of those days, and it's the only freaking day I can film. So just live with it. Today, I can't even speak here. There we go. Today I'm gonna open up the brand new Goodiebox. It's actually opening all itself. Okay, so the inside of the box looks like this. We got some paper. This is something 10% off. I don't really care right now. The Myself Zone box. So we finally got a freaking leaflet. And then we're gonna open up this box. It's a purple box, and this is the inside, and it's actually quite matchy-matchy with like the exterior of the box. Okay, so I'm gonna grab something out of here. The first one is La Rose. It's a 3-in-1 regenerating mask stick. White clay sensitive skin. What, mask stick? Okay, I need to see this. Wow, yeah, it actually is a freaking stick. Like, this is amazing. Okay, I will have to look up in the booklet to see how I use this, because I don't know. But it's very, very cool. And y'all know I absolutely adore masks, especially like this. I don't necessarily like the whole sheet mask thing. I prefer them like this. So the La Rose Regenerating Stick Mask is a full size, and the worth is $16.90. Okay, let's move on to Nire Beauty. I don't know how to pronounce this. These are slanted tweezers, and I'm actually not going to get them out of the package just because I already have a lot of tweezers, and I don't know whether or not I'm going to do this in a giveaway and give them away, so I want to, for now, keep them in the packet. The tweezers are full size as well, and they are worth 16 euros. Wow, that is way up there with Tweezerman, so they better be good. Okay, let's move on to, what's this? Ivy Aya? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not really sure. This is a face cream. It's with Pro Vitamin B5 for all skin types. This is what that little sucker looks like. Very curious to see what it does. And this is how much? 50 milliliters. So this actually might be a full size. Yes, it is a full size. The face cream with Pro Vitamin B5, the worth is 7 euros. Okay, then we got Mind Sponge, cognac sponge with collagen from Mushy Mushy Mind. And I'm actually going to pass this along to my mom because she loves me some collagen. But I think she can use a sponge. So this is what that sucker, sorry, that's the baby. This is what that sucker looks like. The baby's playing around. Like I said, you're going to hear noises. It's a full size, and the Mushy Mushy Mind sponge, no, excuse me, the cognac sponge with collagen costs 14 euros. Okay, then we have from Sandstone, it's a lip glaze, whatever. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to test this out or not, simply because I don't know if this is a stain or a matte, like a liquid lipstick. I don't like those. So I'm not going to swatch it right now. This is from Sandstone, Scandinavia. It's a lip glaze. The worth is 18 euros, and I will have to check out the booklet to see whether it's a more of a gloss thing or an actual liquid lipstick, because if it's a liquid lipstick, I'm going to pass it along in a giveaway. There is still something in here, but it's not mentioned. Like, I already mentioned all of the items that are in here. So this is Nordic wine gums, really? Wally and Whiz, blackcurrant with strawberry. Are you kidding me? Are these actual like candies? That's the baby, sorry. Yes, they're actually candies. Okay, so we're gonna try one out. Wow, they look so weird. See that? They look like Turkish Delight. Let's try one. Yeah, it tastes like Turkish Delight, but it's very good, I will say that. It's amazing. Today I can finally eat. I'm on this diet thing where one day I can eat, another day I can't eat anything. And it's working out pretty well. I already lost 12 pounds. I'm going to tell you guys all about it in my New Year's video. It's not bad. I really do like it. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. The goodie box from September I still haven't received yet because I haven't paid them yet. I contacted Goodiebox and I was supposed to pay 5 more euros, which is a little weird, but okay, for shipping because I wasn't home and the box got shipped back to them, so they need to ship it out again. That's why I need to pay $5. But I still have to do that, so the September box will be very late, probably up till November somewhere. I'm sorry, but you guys will see that box, trust me. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and now I'm going to shut the hell up because the baby's about to cry, and I will see you guys in my next video. Check out my giveaway. Bye!